Hello guys, this is Sanstraudri and you are watching TechKnowledge. So today I'm going to show you how to use Marquee tag, details tag and HR tag. So let's begin this video. So first of all, I will go to my folder and I will click open with code. And after that, first this is no. So here you can see my VS Code has been opened. And I will close this 6.html and make new file which name is 7.html. Okay. And after that, I will write my basic code. HTML, head, title. This is my project 7. And I will make their body tag. And now I will use Marquee tag. So I will write there Marquee. Okay. And I will write right. Now you can understand this. And I will there. This is Marquee. Okay. And I will open this 7 document. I have to save it and refresh it. So here you can see this is Marquee, but here you can see the animation. Okay. This is Marquee. Okay. So how to control this speed? For control the speed, and I didn't write. That's why the reason it's moving on right. I will write there scroll amount. Not scroll amount. First of all, I will open Marquee tag in HTML for understand you better. And here, yeah, here you can see little fast scrolling, very fast scrolling. Scroll amount. Okay, scroll amount is attribute is used for control the speed. Scroll amount. And I will write there 100. And there you can see now this is moving fast. And if I write 1000, then this is extremely fast. Refresh. Now you can see this is Marquee. Maybe you can't see it because this is so fast. I will write 100. Okay. and refresh. This is Marquee, not 100, only 30. That's it. So that is it. Marquee, if I write there right up, now this is moving up, okay? Or if I write left, now this is moving left. If I write down, you can see now this is moving down. But I will write right, okay? So that is it, Marquee, okay? So how to use HR tag? HR tag is used for distribution. For example, I will write H1. This is the example of Marquee. Oh, okay. And I will write HR. And no need for close HR tag. So I will refresh it. Now you can see HR tag is used for make a horizontal line which distributes the site. Okay. Now what is detail tag and why detail tag is used? Detail tag is details tag, not detail. It's details. Details tag is used for distribute, not distribute. It's used for hide the details. For example, I will write details tag in HTML. Now, here you can see. You can see there details and detail close tag and summarize. I'm going to do it. For example, I will write there H1. This is the example of details tag. Okay. After that, I will write there details tag and summarize. And I will write there hello. This is details. Okay. And I will write there and I will write there some please subscribe. Okay, and save and refresh there. Now you can see hello, this is details, and when I click this icon, so you can see there please subscribe. So detail tag is used for hide the details. Okay, that is it guys. If you like this video, so please like this video and subscribe my channel. Goodbye.